Okay, today having a break from the classics, they're called, and helping out a mate with its golf. You're doing the front wheel bearings and using the CP7749 to take off the front hub nut. Has a composite body and a magnesium front housing. Has 7,000 RPM free speed, 700 Newton meters forward direction and 1,300 Newton meters in reverse. It's nearly 1,000 foot-pounds in old money. It has a twin hammer clutch for really tough jobs. It packs a lot of power into a small handy tool. Balance is really good. The handle's part way along the body, so there's a bit of weight behind the handle, so the balance is really good. It also has a very comfortable soft grip handle, and another useful feature when you're in compact confined areas is the swivelling air inlet. If you want to know more about the clutch types, log on to the CP website, ask the experts and download the technical guides.